Welcome back, fellow crypto enthusiasts. In today's video from cryptowichard, we are diving deep into one of the most fascinating projects in the world of decentralized finance, Aave coin. Join me as we explore the inner workings of Aave, the key features that set it apart, and the potential it holds for the future of finance. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is Aave coin? Aave coin, also known as Aave, is the native cryptocurrency of the Aave protocol. Aave aims to revolutionize the traditional lending and borrowing system by leveraging the power of decentralized finance, DeFi. By eliminating intermediaries like banks, Aave enables users to directly interact with a decentralized platform, providing greater accessibility and efficiency in the lending and borrowing process. At its core, Aave operates through a system of smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. These smart contracts govern the lending and borrowing activities and ensure the security and transparency of the entire process. Users can deposit their cryptocurrencies into specific liquidity pools, which are then made available for borrowing by other participants in the ecosystem. One of the key features of Aave is its ability to enable flash loans. Flash loans allow users to instantly borrow funds without requiring collateral, as long as the borrowed amount is repaid within the same transaction. This innovation has opened up new possibilities for traders, arbitrageurs, and developers to leverage the liquidity provided by Aave and execute complex financial strategies in a matter of seconds. Aave also introduces a unique concept called over-collateralization. When borrowers seek to borrow funds from Aave, they are required to deposit collateral that exceeds the borrowed amount. This ensures the safety of lenders' funds and reduces the risk of default. Furthermore, Aave utilizes decentralized price oracles, such as those provided by Chainlink, to ensure accurate and reliable pricing information for the assets being lent and borrowed. In addition to its lending and borrowing capabilities, Aave incorporates a native governance token, Aave. Aave holders have the power to participate in the governance of the protocol, allowing them to vote on proposals, suggest improvements, and influence the direction of the platform's development. This decentralized governance model gives the Aave community a voice and fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among its participants. Aave has gained significant traction within the DeFi ecosystem, attracting users, developers, and institutional players alike. Its open-source nature has enabled the integration of Aave into various platforms, including wallets, decentralized exchanges, and lending platforms. This interoperability enhances the accessibility and usability of Aave, further expanding its reach and utility. While Aave offers immense potential for revolutionizing traditional finance, it is important to acknowledge the potential risks associated with DeFi. Regulatory challenges, such as uncertain legal frameworks and compliance requirements, may impact the widespread adoption of Aave. Additionally, as with any blockchain-based protocol, security is a critical concern, and participants must exercise caution and employ robust security measures to protect their assets. Aave coin represents a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of decentralized finance. By providing a decentralized lending and borrowing platform, Aave empowers individuals to access financial services without the need for intermediaries. With its unique features, governance model, and growing ecosystem, Aave has positioned itself at the forefront of the DeFi revolution, paving the way for a more inclusive, efficient global financial system. How does Aave work? Now let's explore the inner workings of Aave in more detail. Aave operates on the Ethereum blockchain, utilizing smart contracts to automate and secure the lending and borrowing process. These smart contracts act as self-executing agreements that enforce the rules and conditions set by the Aave protocol. Users can participate in Aave by depositing their cryptocurrencies into liquidity pools known as reserves. Each reserve focuses on a specific cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum, ETH, Bitcoin, BTC, or stablecoins like USDT or DAI. These reserves pool together the deposited assets, creating a collective pool of liquidity that can be utilized by borrowers. When a user deposits their assets into a reserve, they receive an equivalent amount of tokens, for example, ETH, APT, etc. These tokens represent the user's share of the reserve and accrue interest over time. The interest earned is added to the user's token balance, increasing the overall value of their holdings. On the borrowing side, users can access these reserves and borrow assets by utilizing their deposited collateral. Aave employs an over-collateralization model, which means that borrowers are required to provide more collateral than the value of the assets they borrow. This ensures that lenders' funds are protected and reduces the risk of default. The specific collateralization ratio varies depending on the assets being borrowed, with higher volatility assets requiring higher ratios. One of the standout features of Aave is its revolutionary concept of flash loans. Flash loans allow users to borrow funds instantly without the need for any collateral, as long as the borrowed amount is repaid within the same transaction. This opens up a wide range of possibilities for arbitrage, market manipulation prevention, and other complex financial strategies. Flash loans are possible because Aave leverages the composability of the Ethereum blockchain. Within a single transaction, a user can borrow funds, perform various operations, and repay the loan, all as long as the transaction is completed within the same Ethereum block. If the loan is not repaid within the block, the entire transaction is reverted, ensuring that no funds are lost. By employing flash loans, Aave enables users to access significant amounts of liquidity, facilitating innovative trading strategies and capitalizing on time-sensitive opportunities within the decentralized finance ecosystem. Aave's inner workings revolve around its smart contract infrastructure, liquidity pools, collateralization, and the groundbreaking concept of flash loans. These elements work together to create a secure, transparent, and flexible lending and borrowing experience for Aave users, further solidifying its position as a leading decentralized finance protocol. Aave Coin features and governance. Aave Coin, AAVE, introduces several unique features and functionalities that set it apart in the decentralized finance (DeFi) landscape. One of the prominent aspects of Aave is its native governance token, which empowers holders to actively participate in the decision-making processes and influence the direction of the Aave protocol. Aave token holders have voting rights, enabling them to vote on important proposals and governance changes within the Aave ecosystem. This decentralized governance model ensures that the platform's development aligns with the interests of its community members. The voting power of Aave tokens is proportional to the number of tokens held, giving larger stakeholders a greater say in the decision-making process. By involving the community in the governance of the protocol, Aave fosters a decentralized and democratic approach, promoting transparency and inclusivity. It allows users to have a direct impact on the development of the platform and the evolution of its features. In addition to governance, Aave prioritizes the security and protection of user funds. The integration of Chainlink's price oracle system is a crucial safety measure implemented by Aave. Price oracles are external data sources that provide accurate and real-time price information for various assets. Aave leverages Chainlink's decentralized price oracles to ensure reliable and tamper-resistant price feeds. The price oracle system plays a vital role in determining the collateral value and liquidation thresholds for borrowers in the Aave protocol. By using Chainlink's price oracles, Aave can mitigate the risk of incorrect or manipulated price data, enhancing the overall security and integrity of the lending and borrowing process. Aave employs various security measures to safeguard user funds. These include comprehensive smart contract audits by reputable security firms, constant monitoring of potential vulnerabilities, and bug bounties to incentivize the community to discover and report any security issues. The combination of the Aave governance token and the integration of Chainlink's price oracle system showcases Aave's commitment to both community-driven decision-making and robust security protocols. These elements contribute to the overall trustworthiness and reliability of the Aave protocol, instilling confidence in users and further solidifying its position as a leading DeFi platform. By providing a platform that emphasizes user participation, security, and transparency, Aave continues to push the boundaries of decentralized finance, driving innovation and reshaping the future of the financial industry. Aave ecosystem and integration. Aave has indeed established a thriving ecosystem within the decentralized finance (DeFi) space, attracting integrations with various platforms and fostering innovation in the sector. Its open-source nature has played a pivotal role in enabling developers to build innovative applications on top of the Aave protocol. One significant integration of Aave is with wallets. Aave has collaborated with popular cryptocurrency wallets such as MetaMask and MyEther wallet to provide seamless access to the Aave protocol directly from these user-friendly interfaces. This integration allows wallet users to easily interact with Aave, deposit assets, borrow funds, and manage their positions without leaving their preferred wallet environment. Aave has actively engaged with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, to facilitate liquidity and trading opportunities. Notable DEX integrations include Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Balancer. By integrating with these decentralized exchanges, users can easily trade their Aave assets, deposit them into liquidity pools, and leverage the benefits of decentralized trading. Aave has formed partnerships with lending platforms to expand its reach and offer enhanced services. Integrations with lending platforms like Compound and DEX enable users to maximize their capital efficiency by leveraging Aave's borrowing capabilities and utilizing their assets across multiple platforms simultaneously. These integrations create a vibrant DeFi ecosystem where users can explore various lending and borrowing options to optimize their financial strategies. Aave's open-source nature has led to the development of innovative applications and protocols that leverage its infrastructure. For example, projects like Aavegotchi have utilized Aave's lending capabilities to introduce unique gamified DeFi experiences. Aavegotchi combines non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and Aave lending to create a platform where users can interact with digital collectible ghosts while utilizing their Aave assets. The open-source nature of Aave empowers developers to build on top of the protocol, fostering a collaborative and exploratory environment for DeFi innovation. This openness allows for the creation of new financial instruments, novel use cases, and improved user experiences within the Aave ecosystem. These integrations and the growing ecosystem around Aave highlight the platform's versatility and its ability to connect with other key players in the DeFi space. By collaborating with wallets, DEXs, lending platforms, and inspiring new applications, Aave continues to expand its reach, provide enhanced services, and drive forward the adoption and advancement of decentralized finance. Potential and challenges for Aave Coin. Aave Coin presents exciting opportunities that can potentially reshape the financial landscape. One of the key advantages of Aave is its ability to lower costs associated with traditional financial services. By eliminating intermediaries like banks, Aave reduces transaction fees and eliminates the need for complex paperwork, enabling users to access lending and borrowing services at a lower cost. Aave's decentralized nature allows for global accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can participate in the Aave ecosystem, regardless of their geographic location. This opens up opportunities for individuals in underserved regions to access financial services and participate in the global economy, promoting financial inclusion on a broader scale. Aave also holds the potential to increase financial inclusion by offering services to individuals who may not have access to traditional banking systems. This can empower unbanked and underbanked populations, providing them with opportunities to grow their wealth, access credit, and build financial stability. However, it is crucial to recognize and evaluate the potential risks associated with decentralized finance before considering any investment. Regulatory hurdles pose one significant challenge for the widespread adoption of Aave and other decentralized finance protocols. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies and DeFi is still evolving, and there may be uncertainties regarding legal frameworks, compliance requirements, and potential restrictions imposed by regulatory authorities. The security of decentralized finance protocols is a critical concern. While Aave has implemented various security measures, including smart contract audits and bug bounties, the potential for vulnerabilities and hacks cannot be completely eliminated. Users must exercise caution, employ robust security practices, and conduct thorough due diligence before engaging with any DeFi platform. Market volatility is another risk to consider. Cryptocurrencies, including Aave Coin, are subject to significant price fluctuations. The value of Aave may rise or fall rapidly, potentially impacting the value of investments. Investors should be prepared for market volatility and make informed decisions based on their risk tolerance and investment goals. Aave coin offers exciting opportunities in terms of lower costs, global accessibility, and increased financial inclusion. However, potential challenges such as regulatory hurdles, security concerns, and market volatility should be carefully considered and evaluated. It is important for individuals to conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions related to Aave or decentralized finance as a whole. Conclusion. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of Aave coin. We've delved into its fundamentals, functionality, and potential within the world of decentralized finance. Remember, it is essential to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. What are your thoughts on Aave coin? Are you intrigued by its decentralized lending and borrowing capabilities? Or do you have reservations about the potential risks associated with DeFi? Share your opinions and insights in the comments section below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest crypto content, investment strategies, and market trends. Hit that notification bell as well, so you never miss out on any valuable information. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Aave coin. We hope you found this video insightful and that it has provided you with a solid understanding of the potential of Aave and decentralized finance. Remember to stay informed, stay vigilant, and always make informed investment decisions. Until next time, happy investing. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to check out our other videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.